Hello everybody, welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we are in beautiful Waikiki. It's a little bit overcast, but it's beautiful palm trees. It's still 80 degrees. So you have all these people on the beach. Some more hotels there, and it spans all across the other way. Over here. And some cabanas out at the pool, at the hotel. Anyway, it's a great day to be out, having a great day, just relaxing here in Waikiki Beach. All right, catch us up for more videos on our Ladies of Justice YouTube channel. And this is the lifestyle you want. Go and travel anytime you want, wherever you want. So for more tool strategies to save you time, make money, just go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. All right, have a great day. Aloha.